Natural gas daily forecast April 2nd, fxempire.com. The natural gas markets fell yet again during the Friday session as the 220 level has now given way. The trend, absolute bearish trend in this market seems relentless, and therefore we simply cannot fight it. There's absolutely no reason to think that buying in this market could make sense, and in fact, we are willing to sell any type of bounce that we see. We expect $2 to produce some type of bounce, but we still have 12 cents to get down there. Having said that, depending on the length of your trading horizon, we could sell a break of the bottom or just simply wait for the inevitable bounce and try to sell around 240 if we can raise the market that high. Unfortunately, this market is so beaten down, we may simply not get the chance to get all the way to 240. So we have to be aware of any signs of weakness at any level, especially when we are right around the 20s, 220, 240, 260, 280, $3, and so on, which seems to be a pattern this market follows. The United States is simply sitting on far too much natural gas to think that the markets will turn around anytime soon. And there are even some estimates that the U.S. is sitting on over 300 years worth of natural gas. That doesn't even include the Canadian amounts. So, with Canada being so much smaller than the United States, they certainly would have plenty to export in that particular scenario. So, again, in conclusion, the $2 mark, which we will almost undoubtedly see here in the short term, may produce a bounce, but that's a bounce that we're more than willing to sell. Some analysts are calling for $1 as a price in this market, and there's quite frankly nothing in this chart or the fundamental story that makes that sound completely out of touch, like it may have when they first started calling for it back towards the $4 handle.